Hello and welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Let's talk about mental health. Our mental health is paramount to every aspect of our life, including our work, and going through a collective trauma of this scale, a global pandemic, living through it, working through it, managing through it, it is possible that our mental health may get affected and it may even start affecting our work. So let's talk about some tips on preserving and taking care of our mental health so it doesn't affect our any aspect of our life negatively. So the first thing that is known to help, the easiest one, is escapism. Escapism is when you resort to entertainment or a form of fantasy to avoid reality. Guys, in your free time, consuming too much of news can really stress you out or make you very anxious. And in that case, it's better to stay away from the news and invest to invest our time in good quality books or TV programs or music. Talking of books, there is a very good book, The Happiness Trap. The book isn't free, but it has a companion website which has many free resources, videos in fact, which can help you immensely. Other than that, exercise is a very good way to provide oxygen to our blood cells. So depending on your fitness level, start some sort of activity. It can be a 30-minute walk or a 15-minute workout, just anything, just get moving. Another thing that really helps our mental health is our support group, our friends and family. Just talk to your friends and family. We should also recognize that sometimes our mental health is in a state when talking to a friend or a family member just may not cut it. You need a professional to talk to. In that case, if you're in Australia, some employers offer 5 free sessions with a mental health professional, and this is a very good time to look into this option, and if it is available to you, make use of it. If not, you can always call Lifeline or Beyond Blue and talk to a mental health professional free of any cost. If you're more comfortable with texting instead of talking, then you can always text a mental health professional at Lifeline, and Beyond Blue also has this option. Another thing that can really help us with our mental health is quality sleep and relaxation. It is very natural that in times like these, at the end of the day, one feels very hard to decompress and to relax and to go to sleep. There are apps to help you with that. Calm and Headspace are two excellent apps, especially if you have trouble falling asleep. They are not free, but they give you a 7-day free trial. So you can get the trial and see how they help you. Journaling may also help with sleeping. It's simply just write everything that's on your mind in a journal and put it aside. Meditation also helps. If you're a beginner, then Mindfully has amazing podcasts to help you. There are 10 free podcasts. Just write Mindfully podcasts in your search bar. So along with these things, guys, another thing that would help you is just keeping in mind, keeping the perspective that this thing is temporary. Although it feels like eternity, but it actually is temporary. And by staying at home especially, you are just not helping yourself, you are actually helping the most vulnerable in your communities. So you're truly being a hero here. Just stay positive and stay safe. Thank you.